friends, welcome to my channel Vibhas vlog. Are you ready for a super fun challenge? Watch till the end and don't forget to comment your score. What do you use to see things? Eyes. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? 26. What is the color of the sky? Blue. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7. How many days are there in a week? 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. What is the first letter of the alphabet? Alphabet A. Which animal is called King of the Jungle? Lion. How many primary colors are there? 3. Red, yellow, blue. Which animal is called sheep of the desert? Camel. How many days are there in a year? 365 days. Which festival is known as Festival of Colors? Holi. Which festival is known as Festival of Lights? Diwali. Which is the tallest animal on the land? Giraffe. Which is the first month of the year? January. How many seasons are there? 4. Summer, winter, spring and rainy. Which season is very hot? Summer season. What is the name of the house made of ice? Igloo. What do bees make? Honey. Which flower is red and has thorns? Rose. How many legs does a spider have? 8 legs. Which animal has a trunk? Elephant. Which animal gives us milk? Cow. Which shape has 3 sides? Triangle. Awesome! You're halfway there, friends. Keep going. Which day comes after a Monday? Tuesday. Which insect has colorful wings? Butterfly. What do you see in the sky at night? stars and moon. Which animal lives in water and has fins? Fish. How many fingers do you have in your hands? 10 fingers. What do you drink when you are thirsty? Water. What do you use to cut paper? Scissors. Which animal has black and white stripes on it? Zebra. Which color starts with the letter R? Red color. What is the shape of a clock? Circle. What do we breathe in? Oxygen. What is the water that falls from the sky? Rain. What do we use to hear? Ear. How many sense organs do we have? 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. How many months do we have in a year? 12 months. What shape is the letter O? Circle. Which month has the least number of days? February. Who cuts our hair? Barber. Who gives us medicine when we are sick? Doctor. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep. What is the color of mango? Yellow. In which season we wear warm clothes? Winter. What will come after Sunday? Monday. What is the 10th letter in the alphabet? Alphabet J. Which fruit is known as king of fruits? Mango. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.